Welcome to the Wealth Wisdom, where knowledge becomes power and power builds your future.
In this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 best penny stocks to buy right now. One of these stocks has the potential to not only double your money, but is led by a CEO who has previously turned penny stocks into billion-dollar companies. This is a must-watch video for anyone who is serious about penny stocks in 2026 and looking for the next parabolic penny stock. We have a lot to get through in this video, so I'll try and keep the intro short. But if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It literally costs nothing, but it helps me out so much. I'm aiming to get 300 likes on this video. Help me achieve this goal. I want to point out this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own due diligence. Winner, winner. Warren Buffett is buying this stock. The first stock on the list today is SiriusXM. This stock has just hit the headlines in the past 2 weeks because Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has just bought a major position in the company. So what is SiriusXM? SiriusXM is a leading audio entertainment company in North America with a portfolio of audio businesses including its flagship subscription service, SiriusXM, the music streaming services of Pandora, an expansive podcast network, and a suite of business and advertising solutions. This has a combined monthly audience of approximately 150 million listeners. SiriusXM offers a broad range of content for listeners everywhere they tune in, with a diverse mix of live and on-demand programming across music, talk, sports, and news. Overall, this doesn't look like the most exciting company in the world. But then again, the companies that Warren Buffett invests heavily into rarely do. However, he is considered the greatest investor in the world, and his investments do very well. So why buy Sirius now? It looks like SiriusXM is making big moves in the industry. In a deal just this week, SiriusXM signed Alex Cooper from Spotify to SiriusXM in a $125 million deal. This is a major deal and a sign of intent from the company. Alex Cooper's Call Her Daddy has been the music streamer as number 2 original behind Joe Rogan's Joe Rogan Experience. But this is just the latest deal. In January, Sirius signed a 3-year, $100 million deal with Smartless founders Will Arnett, Jason Bateman, and Sean Hayes. In 2022, there were major deals involving Conan O'Brien's Team Coco podcasts. They also signed Ashley Flowers' Audioshock and productions featuring Kevin Hart, Tom Brady, and Howard Stern. Looking at the investor presentation, Sirius is looking to be the dominant future of audio. They already have massive artist and brand exclusives and consider themselves a leading subscription business for the future while expanding their audiences. The company is consistently delivering strong results and a good capital return. Although the return on capital had dropped last year, Berkshire Hathaway more than tripled its stake in SiriusXM during the second quarter. Warren Buffett now owns a $400 million position in the media joint. Media mogul John Malone is the largest shareholder of SiriusXM, and folks can grab a piece of his controlling position through ownership of Liberty Sirius Group tracking shares. Liberty SiriusXM Group investors will vote at the end of this week to see if they want to combine their shares with the more widely owned Sirius XM common stock. If the vote is successful, and it likely will be, the transaction will be finalized on September 9th. This will make Warren Buffett the largest shareholder of the company, with 33 million subscribers and more than 150 million listeners. A company doing over $9 billion in annual revenue with a serious return on capital investment. Warren Buffett's interest makes a lot of sense. Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that Sirius is covered by several analysts with a consensus price target of $3.80, while the high forecast is $6.5015. 370% Legend, stock to 3D Capital, is a Canadian-based venture capital firm focused on opportunistic investments in junior resources and disruptive technology sectors. 3D Capital provides investors significant exposure to ground floor opportunities in small-cap stocks in their very early stages, and in industries such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, biotechnology, and junior resources. 3D Capital has investments in many companies, but the most important thing is the CEO, Sheldon Inwenish. Sheldon has more than 30 years of successful small-cap investing experience and an extensive track record of outstanding ROI. His previous venture, Pinetree Capital, generated a 15,000% return in just 3 years, a 150x return. His accomplishments include investing in Queenston Mining, acquired for nearly $500 million, Aurelian Resources, acquired for over $1 billion, and Gold Eagle Mines, acquired for $1.5 billion. He was also a finalist for the Ernst and Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. As of this month, 3D Capital has a net asset value of 86 cents per share, 4 times what the stock is trading at 21 cents. They recently closed a deal acquiring 3.2 million shares of SEL Diagnostics at 5 cents per share, issuing 200,000 of their own shares valued at 80 cents. Despite the stock trading at 21 cents right now, record-breaking AI acquisition, Stock 3. SoundHound AI is a global leader in conversational intelligence and offers voice AI solutions with best-in-class speed and accuracy across 25 languages. Their products power automotive systems, TVs, IoT devices, and customer service. SoundHound powers millions of products and billions of interactions each year for brands such as Samsung, Oracle, Square, and even NVIDIA. Their addressable market is estimated at $40 billion, and they have over 270 patents. Financially, SoundHound AI has been growing rapidly with over 50% annual growth. The stock surged earlier this year when NVIDIA disclosed holdings in SoundHound. Recently, SoundHound acquired Amelia AI for $80 million, expanding into financial institutions, insurance, retail, and healthcare. The combined company expects over $150 million in revenue next year. MarketBeat shows analysts with a consensus price target over $7 and a high forecast of $9.50. World leader is now a penny stock. Market reversal. ChargePoint Holdings provides EV charging networks and solutions in the US and internationally. It has the largest network with 7 times more market share Then its nearest competitor in North America, ChargePoint, serves commercial, fleet and residential markets with 18,000 charging stations. They offer hardware, software, and services with massive partnerships. However, EV sales have slowed due to rising hybrid preferences. This caused ChargePoint stock to fall 70% this year. Despite this, analysts still see potential, especially in high-margin software. MarketBeat shows analysts with price targets as high as $17 and an average of $6.88, about 150% upside. FDA approval is coming. Don't underestimate stock 5. Fortress Biotech is a biopharmaceutical company with 7 marketed prescription products and 20 programs in development across oncology, dermatology, and rare diseases. They partner with major pharma companies like AstraZeneca. Their pipeline has several catalysts coming this year. The FDA accepted a new drug application and set a PDUFA date for November 4th, with Fortress owning 48% of the program. What caught attention, however, is the massive analyst price targets: $75 in 2023, $90 in 2022, and even a recent 10x target. Insider buying has also increased significantly. Rate these stocks 1-5. I've shown 5 top penny stocks. Which one is your favorite? Rank them from 1 to 5. There is a lot of hype around these right now. Always do your own research. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like and subscribe. Vote on the community post for the next video. Follow me on Twitter. I'll catch you in the next video.